Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you have watched any of my videos so far, you know that I like working on BMWs, especially the M62 engine. I like working on all sorts of cars and vans, but I do have passion for the small engines, and from time to time I'll be showing you the work that I've done on some of the Stihl equipment that I own. In today's video, I'm going to review the cheapest compression test kit available on eBay. I'm going to give you my opinion. I'm going to obviously show you the contents very shortly, and let's see if this is any good for £10. So the kit comes in this box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So you have a leaflet. I'm going to put this on the screen so you can see if you want to read it. Obviously the kit has a compression gauge. This is the gauge, and then you have the long hose with a 14mm thread on it. You have 10, 12, 14, 18mm adapters, and then you have these push-on connectors. So one is slightly bent and you have a straight one. So this is what's in the kit. Let's do a test, and I'm gonna be using a Stihl Ms261 in order to test the compression. This is a 8-year-old saw, and it's in excellent condition. So let's check the compression of the saw and let's see if this works correctly. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my FORESTRY Ms261 Stihl saw, which is in absolutely excellent condition. This is a well-used saw, but I've just looked after it so well. It's been used maybe a couple of hours a day in the summer for cutting trees and stuff like that, professionally and privately by myself. So let's not waste any time, and let's open up this bad boy. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to press the release and the trigger. You want to have two of these handy little spanners. So one has Torx 227 and one has a flat screwdriver, and obviously they could be used for opening these nuts here and loosening the spark plug. So I'm going to be using the flat screwdriver to open the cover. Push and turn anti-clockwise. You have 3 bolts. This is now cover off. What I'm going to do, just to get a little bit more space, I'm going to remove the air filter, as I don't want to damage in case I hit it. So just twist it anti-clockwise and pull it out. Then the next thing you want to do is obviously you want to remove this spark plug cable. Just pull it out like that. Then you want to use your T27 bit. So you want to loosen this here. Okay, so you have one bolt here that you want to loosen, and then you have another bolt here that you want to loosen. So let's undo this one as well. So this is going to release this little rubber, plasticky rubber cover, so we can gain access to the spark plug. So all you want to do is just gently pull this out and pull this up, this little cover. Okay, in the same way here, just lifts up, pull it back and gently pull it out. It's as simple as that. So now obviously with this out of the way, we can gain full access to the spark plug. This is by the way, this is a 2012 saw, as you can see right here. I have never ever removed the spark plug on this saw. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. They recommend you change the spark plug regularly. I don't think it's necessary to change it that often, but anyway, for the purpose of this video, let's loosen the spark plug. So this is NGK spark plug, made in Japan. As you can see, So this is the model, and you can see the quality of this spark plug after about 8 years of regular use. Let me know what you think and give me your opinion if I should be replacing the spark plug or not. The saw works absolutely 100%, and in my opinion I can probably use this for another wee while. Now let's get our compression kit. We need the gauge and the long hose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to screw this in first. And now I'm going to connect the pressure gauge. I'm going to use this little tripod in order to secure the gauge so you can see it better. So I'm going to pull the cord now and see what compression we get. So I'm going to start the engine now. I'm going to warm up the saw, and then we'll check the compression again when the engine is warm. So we'll see the difference between cold compression and warm compression. So I'm just curious to see what the temperature of this engine is now of the cylinder head. So I'm going to use my Fluke infrared thermometer. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you soon again. It would have been ideal to compare this cheap test kit against another more expensive kit and maybe compare obviously the readings, but I think for £10 including postage this is about $12–13. I think it's a fair price, so I will be keeping it and I'm happy with it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. If you enjoy my content and if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, and if you wish to receive notifications when I upload new videos, just click on the bell icon and then click all. Your support and comments mean a lot to me, and I just wanted to say thank you again for sticking around.